Avant offers a personal loan service that promises a fast and simple solution for anyone needing quick access to funds. Whether it's for home repairs, medical bills, or consolidating debt, Avant's loan options range from $2,000 to $35,000, with interest rates between 9.95% and 35.99%. The process is straightforward with a quick online application and decisions often provided within minutes. If approved, funds can be deposited as soon as the next business day, which is a huge benefit for anyone who needs money fast. One of the most appealing aspects of the Avant loan is its predictability. Once you're approved, you'll know exactly what your monthly payments will be, thanks to the fixed interest rate. You won't have to worry about fluctuations in your payments as you go along, which can be a relief for those who want to avoid surprises. What stands out about Avant is its transparency. There are no hidden fees, and the loan terms are clear from the start. You'll also find no penalties for paying off the loan early, which is a nice touch for those who want to get out of debt faster without incurring additional costs. The loan can be used for a variety of purposes like paying off high-interest credit card debt or funding an unexpected expense. One of Avant's standout features is the ability to handle everything via the mobile app, making it easy to track your loan and payments on the go. However, there are a few downsides to keep in mind. While Avant's fees are transparent, they do charge an administration fee if your loan is approved, which is deducted from your loan proceeds. Additionally, there may be late fees or dishonored payment fees if you miss a payment, though the exact amounts depend on your state. The interest rates, while fixed, can be high, especially for borrowers with less than ideal credit scores. Though it's marketed as an option for fair or average credit, anyone with a lower credit score might find themselves on the higher end of that rate spectrum. Overall, Avant's personal loan offers a solid option for those who need money quickly and appreciate clear, predictable loan terms. The app and online tools make managing the loan convenient, but the fees and higher interest rates might make it a less appealing option for some, especially those with good credit who could qualify for better rates elsewhere. It's an excellent choice for anyone who needs an emergency loan, a home improvement loan, or simply wants to consolidate debt. But as with any financial product, it's important to compare it with other options to ensure it's the best fit for your needs.